Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you on how you can create this beautiful DIY twisted tower centerpiece. It truly is a masterpiece you do not want to miss out. Please stay tuned and watch how I put together this amazing masterpiece. Hi guys, Shirley here, back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. Today's video, I really have a big announcement that I want to share with you guys. For you guys who are a business owner, who's in the event industry, do you need help with your event and decor business? Do you need help to make more money? Do you need a mentor, a coach for your business growth? Do you need help with building your online brand? Do you need help with marketing? Do you need help to book more clients? Well, if that's the case, I want to invite you to my masterclass where I can help you with your business. Check the link in the description box underneath this video and lock in your spot. Or you can go to www.sevenfigureplanners.com. That's www.sevenfigureplanners.com. This is my very first virtual masterclass. I would love to have you there. So click the link in the description box below to lock in your spot now. See you guys. Bye. Hi guys, today's centerpiece is going to be easy to do, and all you need is just a few items to put it together. So you take your first coupling, you place it to the front of your circle wooden plaque, and then you're going to take your second coupling, you're going to add your glue, you place it to the back, and you do the same thing for the third. Upon purchase, my water pipes, they were about 5 feet long, so I went ahead and used my handsaw to cut all three of them to about 28 inches long. So now the next step is you're going to want to start bending it, okay? So the reason why I love these water pipes is because you can bend it and mold it to the shape and size that you want. So hence to why I got these. Next, take my plaque, it's already dry. I'm going to take the water pipe and put it through the coupling. The coupling and the water pipe are the same size, hence to why they are able to fit perfectly. Now you're going to put them crossing each other. Make sure you seal it in tightly. You could seal it in with glue if you'd like. And then you take the third water pipe, you put it underneath the cross into your coupling. Okay, so this is how you want it to look once you're done. Now guys, we're going to be working on the top part. You're going to need an 8-inch disc just like that. That looks exactly like that. I'm going to use the tip of my water pipes to create a hole through the foams, okay? So now, once you've done that, and you want to make sure that your foam is completely leveled, okay? All right, now you want to make sure that it is sitting flat right on top. You can choose to add hot glues with your glue gun. I don't have my glue gun here. But you can choose to hot glue it with some glue gun to keep it in place, okay? Use your glue gun to hot glue it to the top to keep it in place. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this round disc. It also measures about 8 inches in diameter. I'm going to kind of go ahead and cut the corners a little bit to place it on top, okay? So now that's going to allow me to be able to do my flower arrangement around it and accessorize it as I go. I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue to glue my second foam to the top of my flat round disc to keep it in place. Now once the glue and the foam is completely dried, you can proceed on to doing your flower arrangement. Wow guys, this spray paint is absolutely stunning. The finish on this spray paint is stunning. It is a rose gold color. It's called Montana Gold. So this spray paint is definitely a keeper. Okay, so the next step is I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can have like some floating flowers hanging from my centerpiece. And how you go about doing that is by I got this fishing line right here, okay? This is a clear transparent fishing line that I got from Micheal's. Actually, they used this to do bracelets. They didn't have a fishing line, but this will do the trick as well. So this is what I'm gonna use to hang my florals. So I'm gonna cut it pretty long. Well, maybe not too long. This probably was too long. Okay. Next, I'm gonna grab one of my smaller, beautiful roses. What I'm doing is I'm taking the clear transparent fishing line. I am tying it to the stem of my rose. So you want to give it a good double knot. Tie it twice. So now once the stem of my rose is secure, I'm going to cut the stem way shorter. So now it'll look something like this. So how I'm gonna go ahead and hang it from my centerpiece, you're going to need a floral pen. That floral pen will allow you to, you're gonna tie it. I don't currently have a floral pen, but I am going to use the stem of my flower to be able to do that. The reason why I'm using the stem of my flower to do that is one, it's bendable, it's flexible, and it's going to also be easy for me to put through the foam as well. So once I get it to tie, once I get my rose to tie, I'm gonna go ahead and stick it through the foam. Okay guys, I'm all done with this floral arrangement. This centerpiece was a little difficult for me to do my floral arrangement on top of here. So I had to kind of turn off the camera and do it off camera because it's a pretty tall centerpiece. I would say it's about 2 feet tall. And plus the floral arrangement that I did on top is pretty tall. So it's kind of difficult to see. But when I do the final touch, I will definitely show you guys on how it looks. Also guys, please don't forget to register for my 4-hour live virtual masterclass. Go ahead, click the link below at www.7figureplanners.com. You don't want to miss out. See you guys there. Bye.